Hello everyone, welcome to Page Team J Arise and welcome to English class. My name is Savdy. Nice to meet you. And today we will keep going on lesson 19 about manna and water in the desert. So today we're going to learn 5 words in this lesson. And are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty spelled T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. For example, the children are thirsty after they playing football. The children are thirsty after they playing football. Second word is drink. Drink. Drink spelled D-R-I-N-K. Drink. For example, would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? And the third word is pray. Pray. Pray spelled P-R-A-Y. Pray. For example, we pray to God every day. We pray to God every day. The fourth word is struck. Struck. Struck spelled S-T-R-U-C-K. Struck. For example, the boy was struck the nail into the wood. The boy was struck the nail into the wood. And the last word is rock. Rock. Rock spelled R-O-C-K. Rock. For example, what does the rock look like? What does the rock look like? And please listen and repeat after me. The first word is thirsty. Thirsty. Next is drink. Drink. The third word is pray. Pray. The fourth word is struck. Struck. And the last word is rock. Rock. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to click like or share to your friend. And try to make the sentences by using the 5 words that we have learned in this lesson. And leave it in a comment. And we will help you to correct it. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.